out with fam. And we are just having a ball, having a good time.
Meet our little brother and little sister, Terrell and Destini, respectively. We decided to take them on a canal boat and show them what we know. Enjoy that scenery, the vibe, having conversation. Our goal was to go to the last stop, but we realized that we ended up somewhere that we've been before, and it was called the Bang Kapi Pier, and specifically the mall at Bang Kapi, the Mall Lifestore, that is. And we just had to get off and show them around. And as we were showing them around, we stumbled upon the train. Not just any ordinary train.
We were on this little mall train.
Yo, but y'all look at this. Well, y'all look at this. And she done lost her daggone mind. I told her to let us go on the BTS, and this is where she go. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with him? Babe, you on the BTS?
Yes, the mini BTS.
What line is this?
Kingfish, Queenfish, travel.
Look, y'all, look at my people. Look who else on the BTS. Look who else on the BTS.
Terrell, Destini, and I were not ashamed. We had never been in one of these trains at a mall, and when the gentleman was so nice to say that we could ride this train, we were excited. We were overly joyed. We couldn't help it, as you can see. And on the ride, we noticed that there were a lot of things for children. This was like somewhat of a ball pit and some Legos, and I like how they had attendants there, so if you have your children play there, they would watch over them and assist them and just, provide that layer of security. And then there was this other like racing place where they could put together cars and race them. And we continued on our ride and just enjoyed ourselves. The fact that this was free also, and the gentleman was just like cracking up. We had to crack up at ourselves, but you know what? We can cross this off of our list. We did it. You're never too old to have a good time. Never too old.
I just want to say, listen and silence is spelled with the exact same letters. Put it together. Use it. Use it. Use it.
And that concluded our day. As you can see from these skies, the skies were about to open up, and that downpour was coming soon. So we were trying to take cover, find somewhere to go, find something to eat, and call it a day, because we had a full day, a full, beautiful day. Thank you, Terrell. Thank you, Destini. But you know what? We weren't done yet. Our next day, we decided to take them to one of our favorite places. And we'll let you try to figure that out. Did you figure it out? I didn't think you would. I did that on purpose. We're actually in one of our favorite areas of Pak Nam, and this is called Wat Phichai Songkhram. It was built in the Ayutthaya period. In the temple, visitors can see the large chedi in a bell shape decorated with porcelains, formerly known as Wat Nok. Wat Phichai Songkhram is an ancient temple dating back to the period of the Ayutthaya kingdom. The current name was given by King Rama II because there used to be fortresses inside the temple. The other thing that intrigued me about this particular temple were the gardens around it. And there was a gentleman, older gentleman, that was, I guess, the keeper of the gardens, and he was nice enough to tell us how much longer we had to appreciate this beauty. And so I wanted to hurry up and take advantage of some of the beauty of this nature and how they kept it up and how they have all these nice seating areas for you to just kind of sit and maybe meditate if you want to, think, reflect. And as you see, it was just a beautiful sight to see.
Oh, there's a Mickey over here. There's Mickey. Miss Lee, we found Mickey just chilling at the temple.